Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a smooth reverse Twixtor effect. Add Twixtor Pro effect. Enter your clip's FPS here. Also remember to enable frame blending and motion blur before pre-composing. Copy my settings. Select both keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Copy my graphs. Copy the effect and apply it to the next clip. Hold down the Alt key while adjusting it. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this.